In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a meeting in Zoom, video and audio. First, join a meeting or start one of your own. Once you're in, look along the bottom toolbar for the record button. That's your main control for capturing what happens in the meeting. If you don't see it right away, click the More option, then drag the record button down to the bottom bar to pin it for easy access. Pinning it means you won't have to hunt for it in future calls, which saves time when the meeting gets busy. Before you hit record, click the small caret, the little upward arrow, next to the record button. From that menu, choose Record Settings. This opens the recording preferences so you can decide exactly how Zoom will save your files. Inside Settings, head to Advanced Settings. Here, look for the option labeled Record Separate Participant Audio Files. Turn this on if you want a distinct audio file for each person who speaks. Enabling this keeps your video file, but also creates individual audio tracks, which can be a lifesaver in editing. For example, if someone has background noise or speaks too softly, separate tracks give you the flexibility to clean that up without affecting everyone else. It's also handy if you plan to reuse the audio for podcasts, captions, or transcripts. If you leave this option off, Zoom will still record just fine. In that case, the audio is automatically merged with the video, giving you a single combined recording. This is simpler to manage if you don't need to edit voices separately, and it keeps your file list shorter. Once those preferences are set the way you like them, you're ready to record your meeting with confidence. A quick tip: make sure your microphone and speakers are selected correctly before you begin, and consider doing a short test call to confirm that the record button is visible where you expect it. Also note that some features can vary based on your Zoom version or host permissions, so keeping the app updated is a good practice. That's all there is to it. Join or start your call, locate record, or pin it for convenience, open the caret to reach record settings, go into advanced, and enable separate participant audio files if you want individual tracks. Otherwise, Zoom will merge everything with the video automatically. With these settings in place, you'll capture clear video and the audio setup that best fits your workflow.